In this video, we will explain what electrical discharge machining is and how the process works, as well as 3 different types of EDM processes. What is EDM? EDM is a type of machining process that is known for machining complex geometries in small batches and job-by-job basis. This technique is typically used on materials that are hard to machine. EDM uses thermal energy rather than mechanical force to machine or remove material from a workpiece. How does EDM work? The EDM process involves a path of electrical discharge being made between a workpiece and an electrode. The electrode, typically made of graphite, creates a spark reaching temperatures up to 12,000 degrees Celsius. At this high temperature, the metal workpiece is melted and vaporizes. It is then removed by a dielectric fluid that is constantly pumped onto the localized work area. These dielectric fluids include hydrocarbon oil, transformer oil, paraffin oil, kerosene, sulfur hexafluoride, and deionized water. Different types of EDM. There are 3 different types of EDM, including wire EDM, sinker EDM, and hole drilling EDM. Wire EDM. In wire EDM, a thin electrode wire follows a precise programmed path in order to cut through a material. The wire itself does not touch the workpiece, as this would cause a distortion in the path of the wire. A small gap is between the electrode wire and the workpiece, and sparks are created within that gap to melt and remove the material from the workpiece. The workpiece is submerged in a dielectric fluid in order to help flush away the removed material. The wire EDM working materials include brass, copper, tungsten, and molybdenum. Sinker EDM. Sinker EDM also uses electrical sparks in order to remove material from a workpiece. Sinker EDM is used for complex geometries mainly focused on creating plastic injection molds. In this process, the electrode can be made to fit the desired geometries of the final workpiece. These examples show the different geometries that can be achieved with sinker EDM process. Hole drilling EDM. Hole drilling EDM is a process used to drill very small yet deep holes within a workpiece. These holes can be as small as 0.065 millimeters in diameter and up to 1 meter deep. This process, like others, uses the electrical sparks to melt and remove material from the workpiece, while the dielectric fluid flushes the removed material away. The tubular electrode is advanced into the workpiece, rotating at a high rate in order to act as a drill on the workpiece. The electrical discharge machining process is one of the earliest non-traditional machining methods used, and has many real-world applications such as power tool production and pharmaceuticals. We hope this video was informative and helpful on your understanding of the electrical discharge machining process. Thank you.